Hello everybody, today I will show you how to free up space on Windows 11. Okay, the first step is to click here. Now look for Settings. Click on System. Click on Storage. Click on Storage Sense. Check this box. Here you can configure it as you wish. Now we will go back. System, Storage, Cleanup Recommendations. And I would recommend to check these two boxes. These last three options are optional. Okay, now we will download an app that will help us to delete programs from the root, that is to say, to delete them completely. Open Google and search for Geek Uninstaller Download. And download it. Extract the file. Open the app that is in the folder. And here we will have all the programs and games downloaded. Simply select the one we do not use, right-click on it, click on Uninstall, or in case it does not let us uninstall it, click on Force Removal. Automatically, the app will search for all the remaining files to be completely deleted. If you found the video helpful, give me a shout out in the comments and leave a like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks.